Hey everybody, welcome to this A1 English listening practice video. You can use this video to practice your listening and comprehension as I speak. I'm Alex, your English buddy, and I'm here to help you learn English. This is an easy English podcast for beginners, so don't worry, I'll speak slowly and clearly. You ready? So today, I'm going to talk about ordering food in English. This is a fun topic because everybody eats food, right? Let's get started with this English podcast for learning English. Ordering food is something I do a lot. I'm 25, I live a busy life, and I love grabbing food with my friends. When you learn English, ordering food is super useful. You can use it at a cafe, a restaurant, or even with your friends. This is a light English lesson, perfect for beginners, so let's make it simple and fun. In this slow English podcast, I'll show you how to order food step by step. Ordering food is something I do a lot. So, when I go to a cafe, the first thing I say is, hello. I smile and say hello to the waiter. This is polite, and it's a good start. Try it with me. Hello. Nice one, guys. After that, I tell them what I want. I usually say, can I have a coffee, please? Let's break it down. This is an English podcast with subtitles. So follow along. Can I have means I'm asking for something. Then I say a coffee. That's what I want. And please makes it nice. Repeat after me. Can I have a coffee, please? Awesome job. I usually say, can I have a coffee, please? Sometimes I want food too. Like if I'm hungry, I say, can I have a sandwich, please? It's the same idea. Can I have plus the food plus please? Try it. Can I have a sandwich, please? You're doing great. This is perfect for an English podcast for beginners because it's simple. I use this all the time when I'm out with my buddies. Sometimes I say, can I have a sandwich, please? Okay, let's talk about other food. Maybe you like pizza. I love pizza. So I say, can I have a pizza, please? Or maybe you want tea. I'd say, can I have a tea, please? It's always the same. Can I have plus what you want plus please. Try it with your favorite food. Say it out loud. Can I have a please? Cool, right? This is why I love making this Learn English podcast. It's practical stuff you can use every day. Try it. Can I have a pizza, please? Now, sometimes I'm at a restaurant with my friends and I want to order more. Like last weekend, I went out and I said, can I have a burger and fries, please? See, I just add and to ask for two things. Repeat after me. Can I have a burger and fries, please? You nailed it. This is an English listening practice trick. Keep it short and easy. I said, can I have a burger and fries, please? What about you? Imagine you're at a cafe with me. I say, can I have a coffee, please? What do you say? Maybe, can I have a juice, please? Or, can I have a cake, please? It's your turn. Say it out loud. This is a podcast English listening exercise, so practice with me. I want you to feel confident. ordering food in English. What do you say? Can I have a juice, please? Okay, let's talk about the waiter. After I order, the waiter usually says, sure, or okay. Then they bring my food. Sometimes I say, thank you, when they give it to me. Like, thank you. Try it, thank you. It's polite and it feels good. This is a beginner podcast. English tip, saying thank you makes people smile. I say thank you when they bring my food. Now, here's a fun story. Last week, I was at a cafe with my friend Mike. I said, can I have a coffee, please? But Mike, he's funny. He said, can I have 10 pizzas, please? The waiter laughed. Of course, he didn't get 10 pizzas, but it was fun. That's why I love this Learn English. With podcast conversation, you can have fun while learning. All right, let's practice more. Imagine you're ordering breakfast. I say, can I have eggs and toast, please? What do you say? Maybe, can I have cereal, please? Or, can I have juice, please? Say it now. This Easy English podcast is all about practice, so don't be shy. Okay, here's a tip for you. When you order food, speak slowly. Like me in this Slow English podcast, I don't rush. Say, can I have a coffee, please? Nice and slow. It helps the waiter understand you, and it's great English listening practice too. Try it again. Can I have a coffee, please? Perfect. Speak slowly. Can I have a coffee, please? Now, let's talk about drinks. I love coffee, but sometimes I order tea. I say, can I have a tea, please? Or water. Can I have a water, please? What's your favorite drink? Say it with me. Can I have, please? This is a light English lesson, so keep it fun and simple. I say, can I have a tea, please? All right, one more thing. If I'm super hungry, I order a big meal. Like, can I have a pizza, fries, and a soda, please? That's 3 things. Try it. Can I have a please? You pick the words maybe pizza, salad, and juice. Say it now. This English podcast Lite is all about you practicing with me. I say, can I have a pizza, fries, and a soda, please? Okay, guys, that's almost it for today. Ordering food in English is easy, right? You just say, can I have? Plus what you want. Plus, please. Like, can I have a coffee, please? I use this every day, and you can too. This Learn English podcast is here to help you feel ready to talk in real life. Ordering food is easy. Can I have a coffee, please? Before we finish, here's a little challenge. Next time you're at a cafe or with friends, try saying, can I have a something, please? It's fun and it's great practice. This beginner podcast English is all about real stuff you can use. All right, that's all for today. Leave a comment and tell me, what food do you want to order in English? Maybe, can I have a pizza, please? Or something else. I'll read your comments, so let's talk. This is your English podcast for learning English, and I'm Alex, your buddy. See you next time for more English listening practice. Leave a comment. What food do you want to order?